Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Leap Stone in Castlevania, Symphony of the Night. This powerful relic is absolutely essential for Alucard, granting him the ability to double jump. This skill is not just a convenience, it's a game changer, allowing you to reach previously inaccessible areas and uncover many secrets. Getting it early will truly open up the castle for you. Your journey for the Leap Stone begins by first obtaining the Jewel of Open from the librarian in the Long Library. This item is necessary to unlock blue doors. Once you have it, make your way to the Alchemy Laboratory, then head left into the Royal Chapel. You'll need to navigate through this area, which is filled with various enemies, to reach the castle keep. Once inside the castle keep, you'll encounter a long hallway often patrolled by Blue Axe Knights. Continue through, defeating any foes in your path. You will then reach an area with moving platforms. Ascend these platforms and take the passage leading to the left. At the very end of this specific hallway, you will discover the invaluable Leap Stone, ready for Alucard to claim. Congratulations! With the Leap Stone in your possession, Alucard can now execute a powerful double jump, fundamentally changing how you explore Dracula's castle. This new mobility is absolutely crucial for reaching hidden areas, finding secret rooms, and ultimately achieving the coveted 200.6% map completion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.